Do you want to give your videos a hilarious cartoon-style twist? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a funny big head effects in CapCut Mobile by just using built-in video effects feature. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Body Effects. Go to the section of Funny Faces. In there, browse through the available effect categories until you find Big Head. Tap the effect to preview it on your clip. It will automatically enlarges the subject's head while keeping the rest of the body proportional. Once you're satisfied with the preview, tap the checkmark to apply it. Drag either end of the layer to make the effect longer or shorter. And play your video before exporting to see the final result. And there you have it! That's how you create a funny big head effects in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep creating, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.